welcome to our channel. If you're new here, my name's Lauren and this is Joe, and in this video we're going to take you around one of the wonders of the world, the Great Pyramids of Giza.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to travel the world for as cheap as possible. Thank you.
We've had a guided tour today around all the main sites in Cairo. We've started off in Memphis. That's our ticket. I still can't say it very well. And here, this is a statue of Ramses II. That's right, isn't it? Not the second. It's cost us 80 Egyptian pounds to get in, which is about £3, so it's not very expensive at all. The guide we've had through our hotel, it is a private guide, so he's going to take us around all the top sites today. We're starting off here, and then we're going to go to some of the newer pyramids that they've discovered, and then the Great Pyramids of Giza after.
Egyptian museum. You see here for the wall here, this is made out of alabaster like a marble. You see at the top have a big columns, yeah, and big stones like to protect it. You see here painted in the wall. You see painted. This is a horrific language. You understand that language, writing and spoken for the ancient time. You understand? Like a history something like that here and here. We're gonna go extend our side here. Okay. The roof of workers. Found here, see hands to workers. Workers did not time at the Egyptian museum.
You want me to move on? Let me move.
Oh no, it's okay. Yeah.
You can take.
just had a look around Saqqara. Is it Saqqara?
Saqqara, yeah.
Saqqara.
Yeah, Saqqara, yeah.
Which is one of the first pyramids built.
First pyramid built for the
yeah.
ancient time, yeah.
And yeah, £180 each, Egyptian pounds. We've had a look inside it.
So in typical Egyptian fashion, you always get brought to places like this when they try and sell you stuff. It's a perfume shop where they do like flower extracts.
Just got to the ticket office for the pyramids of Giza. You can just see the top one there.
Our guide's gone to get us our tickets. They're 200 Egyptian pounds each, so together about 400. So they're about £10 each a ticket.
And then an extra 5 for something.
Yeah, 5 Egyptian pounds just for the parking, which is
right, yeah.
10p or something. I don't think that's too bad to say it's the wonder of the world.
And this is our guide.
Hello, friend. على باشا في الهرم دلوقتي يا باشا. في الهرم انا بقى
Yeah. What?
Ty tam nie wylejesz.
So apparently you can still go up the pyramids. I thought you weren't allowed up them anymore,
Nie, idziesz raz.
but you can, so.
Don't take any unless you want to go bald.
My dad came here years ago in the Navy and took some of the pyramids with him, and now he's bald. That's what Joe just said then, if you heard it. Dad, if you're watching this, I'm sorry that I couldn't bring that piece of pyramid back. These steps are treacherous and I'm filming and not even looking where I'm walking.
Yeah. So the Sphinx is included in the price for the Giza Plateau,
Yeah, obviously.
but the big main ones as well.
Yalla familia, cheese, tequila.
Tequila.
So lunch is included in the ticket price as well. every tourist comes here for lunch on the tour.
Oh, you can eat buffet included.